Welcome to Family and Consumer Sciences. This is going to be a quick tour of our room so you can learn where things are. Here is the classroom A120. In the front of the room you will have a student computer fire extinguisher, and to the right of that there is a small pink box for borrowing pens and pencils. When you enter the door, if you go to the left, there's a wicker cabinet that has school supplies in it that you can use. To the right of that is a shelf for your classroom binder. Going down the line, there are plenty of cookbooks and textbooks that you can use. On top of that shelf, there is a pencil sharpener and the telephone. In the back of the room, there are big cabinets that have extra supplies such as paper plates, but they also house our cooking supplies. Please be respectful of our cooking supplies and only take what you need for lab. To the right of that are herbs and spices. This houses things such as food coloring, vanilla, dried herbs such as maybe basil, potentially even the salt. On the other side of the window is where we have our towels and things such as aluminum foil, plastic wraps, and even the red trays that we'll use for lab. Every kitchen looks the same. Below the front of this kitchen is a cupboard that has things such as a wok, toaster, slow cooker. On the other side of that, below the stove top, is where we house our pots and pans. As I said, every kitchen looks the same. If you were in this kitchen, this would be the setup. Please be respectful of putting things in the microwave. Cover them if needed and never put metal in the microwave. Above the microwave, there is a cupboard that has glass things that can go in the microwave or oven. Below the microwave, there is a drawer for things like cookie sheets. Please keep your knife block full and be respectful when using the KitchenAid mixer. Below the mixer are your muffin tins and cake pans. Directly above that will be your knife drawer and where we house our pot holders. Above that is where we have our measuring equipment for dry and liquid. On the paper towel holder is a sign that shows you what plates you will have in your kitchen. Above that are some random appliances such as hand mixers. Below the sink is where we have our dish soap, sanitizing spray, and drying racks. This is what a set of dishes would look like in this kitchen. Remember, they're all different. Above the silverware drawer is where we have our can opener. To the right of that is our utensil drawer. And directly below that we have things such as our 13x9 pans, cutting boards, cooling racks, and bowl. In the back of the room we have our proof box and convection oven. We will learn about them in class. As you are exiting the room, you'll notice a document camera. To the left of that we have a 3-hole punch, stapler, and tape dispenser. Please use them as you need to. Although it is tempting while you're waiting for the bell to ring, please do not mess with the computer cords. The tissue box will be to the right of that. Feel free to use it. And finally, on the wall on the left-hand side is the vent switch when we are cooking. Thank you for visiting. I hope you enjoyed class.